Welcome to Bird City. I'm Colby with Kansas Tourism. This week we're at the Tri-State Antique Engine and Threshers Association, a place where rich farming heritage of the Midwest is preserved and celebrated. But it is so much more than that. There are unexpected surprises at every turn. Although they are known for their events like the Military Show and Reenactment, the Tri-State Mule and Draft Horse Show, and the biggest, their annual Thresher Show, they are open on Saturdays from 10 to 4 or by appointment. The Tri-State Engine and Threshers Association celebrates vintage machinery and agricultural heritage. You'll start in this visitor center, which also includes museum exhibits. In here, you'll get to see a replica of the 1831 McCormick Reaper, and a replica of the improved 1847 version giving way to the Industrial Revolution. We booked a private tour, and although there are over 30 buildings on site, we'll give you a peek of several collections. The Dorsch Sawyer building has an impressive collection of vintage tractors. I think my favorites are the larger prairie tractors. Next up is the Bruder building, which features hundreds of tools. I'd be lying if I said I know what most of these are. Regardless, I'm very impressed. The Thompson Car Museum is amazing. If anyone's interested in last-minute gifts for me, I will take any one of these Chevys. What a beautiful collection. One of the biggest surprises on property is this working observatory. Fun fact, its motor came from a rotisserie chicken cooker. I admire the ingenuity of the Kokens and their vision for this telescope. Another unexpected exhibit is the Leach Hendricks Travel Museum. Jim and Cindy were tour operators for almost 20 years. This museum showcases stuff collected throughout the years and the many countries they got to visit. While I may be a novice when it comes to antique tractors and machines, I think the most impressive is this fully restored Holt Caterpillar combine. This 1922 self-propelling combine is the star of the show and one of the rarest pieces of antique farming equipment in America. There's lots of equipment lined up outside visible from the roadway. I've got to give it up for this invention. There was a need for four-wheel drive tractors. They weren't on the market yet, so a local dealer came up with this beautiful piece of equipment, engineering two tractors together. Lastly is the Eggers building, made for the ladies who got bored attending the shows many of years ago. It now acts as a local history museum with a wide range of exhibits from military to home decor, electronics to dolls. To learn more about the Tri-State Antique Engine and Threshers Association, head to travelks.com. I'll see you next week on the road.